Hey everyone, I hope everyone are doing great. Myself Dinakar from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I am pursuing my engineering in computer science department. Today I am gonna tell you about presentation on operating system for Mac OS. In this you're gonna learn about the contents of Mac OS, how it is used, and features, file system and navigation, built-in application, tips and tricks, security and privacy, etc. In this slide, you're gonna learn about history of macOS. In 1984, the first macOS is introduced with original Macintosh computer. In 2001, macOS is released, marking a technological leap for the operating system. In 2020, the latest version, macOS Big Sur, is introduced with major design and feature updates. Moving on to the next slide, how to use macOS, like getting familiar with keyboard shortcuts and learning essential keyboard shortcuts like Command C to copy and Command V to paste, navigate through the system even faster, explore the dock. Then the dock provides quick access to the favorite apps, files, and folders. Customize it to your likes. Then discover spotlights. Use spotlights to launch apps, search the web, and much more. Then access it from magnifying glass icon in the main bar. Take the help of Siri. Ask Siri to assist with tasks like sending messages, sending reminders, and file if you're finding files. Siri is always ready to help you to be productive. Then moving on to next slide. Features of macOS. In this like user-friendly interface with an easy to use graphic interface, Mac is designed to simplify your computer experience. Seamless integrations like then which features like airdrop, handoff, and community map OS makes it simple to work across all your Apple devices. Then powerful built-in apps, effortless creating stunning photo, video, and music with Mac built-in apps. No extra software is needed. Accessibility, Mac built-in accessibility features make it easy for everyone. It customize the computer experience and work efficiency. Features. In this, you're gonna learn about user interface, multiple tasking, community, desktop, and Finder. In user interface, experience is a straightforward and interactive user interface with a clean design and minimum distraction. Then multitasking, effortless switch between multiple apps and windows with the touch and gestures. Community, stay connected with on the go with seamless integration between all your Apple devices. Desktop and Finder, organize and customize your files easy with the Finder apps and the desktop. File system and navigation. Finder, easy to browse, organize and locate file on your computer with the Finder app. iCloud, access all your files from any devices with iCloud Drive. Integrate with Finder. Spotlight, instantly find anything on your computer including apps, documents, context, and more with Spotlight search. Then moving on to the next slide. In this you're going to learn about customization, operations, and settings. In that, system preference like customize and tweak settings for a Mac in the system preference app. Wallpaper and screensaver, personalize your desktop with wallpapers and screensaver from the built-in collection or your own photos. Then accessibility. Configure your Mac to accommodate specific needs like visual or hearing impairments. Built-in apps like Mail, Preview, and Safari. In Mail, an easy-to-use email apps that comes with macOS, with support for all major email servers. Then Preview, a powerful built-in app for viewing and editing image, PDF, and other documents. Safari, a fast and efficient web browser that comes with privacy and security features baked in. Then, moving on to the next slide, security and privacy. In this firewall, protect your computer from malicious traffic by embedding the built-in firewall. Gatekeeper. Ensure that only trusted app runs on your computer with Gatekeeper. A security features verify the apps. File Vault. Encrypt all your files and data with File Vault, a built-in security feature. Then privacy. Control how apps access your personal information and keep your data private with the privacy and settings. Tips and tricks. There are shortcut tricks, then Siri shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. Spotlight tricks. Use Spotlight search for more than just finding the file and apps. Check out these usual tricks. Then, Siri shortcuts. Automate repetitive tasks and save the time with Siri shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts. Speed up your workflow with the efficiency keyboard shortcut for Mac OS. Mac OS version. There are four types of Mac OS version. Mac OS X 10.0.4 Cheetah, Mac OS X 10.1.5 Puma, Mac OS X 10.5.8 Leopard, Mac OS X 10.7.5 Lion. Mac OS X 10.0.4 Cheetah. Mac OS X 10.4 was dubbed as Cheetah, went on sale for $129 on March 24, 2001. It brought the Acquia user interface and technologically like primitive multiple tasking and protect memory to wide audience that the public beta. Cheetah required 120 MB of RAM, which seems major today but was more than most Mac users had in their system. At the time, even machines that surpassed the system requirements run slowly under the Mac OS X, which was the number one complaint of the users about to the release. Mac OS X 10.1.5 Puma. Tiger was pretty big update. It figures Spotlight, Search Auto Motors, VoiceOver, and around 200 other improvements during this time. Apple also switched to Intel processor, which made Tiger the first system operating Mac with Intel chips. Mac OS X 10.5.8 Leopard, one of the most Mac changing system of this time. Mac desktop changes significantly with dock, new menu bar and stacks, time machines, spotlight, enhancement and support of 64 bytes apps. Arrive to interact Leopard features so much new stuff that Apple even had to delay the initial release date to finish all this type. Mac OS X 10.7.5 Lion. With Lion, Apple brings lot of useful enhancement from iOS, Mac OS, Launchpad, Mic Touch, gestures, and more interesting may people criticized OS 10.7 for so-called natural scrolling, which moved to contact up when you scroll down. Conclusion. The best choice. Choice Mac X for its performance, design, versatility, and complexity, and experience the power of innovative at your fingertips. Then, the smart investment. Invest in Mac X for the security, privacy, updates, and upgrades, and enjoy a reliable and durable system that adapts to your needs. Then, human touch. Use MacX to connect with the others users, shares your idea and collaborate on the project and enjoy the spirit of creative and community. Moving on to the next slide. Thank you. This is what I explained about Mac OS. Please do like, share and comment.